How to use Alipay as a foreigner in China. If you wish to use Alipay as a foreigner in China, Alipay is not only limited to China itself. You can also sign up from other residents and international countries. So during the sign up process, you must make sure to sign up with your international phone number, not Chinese phone number, but international phone number, and link a valid international credit or debit card, or you can verify your account. So right here, after I have my international account set up, I can go to account details. First thing I can do is I can go to my name and I can verify my Alipay account even using international documents. So here you can say this is not China, and I can choose a document type. If I have a foreign permanent resident ID card, I can verify with that, or I can verify with my international passport. After I've done that, what I can also do is I can choose to add my card details. So card details like international card, it doesn't have to be exclusive to China. It could be a Visa, Mastercard, Amex, and all of the other cards that you can see, even the Discover credit card or so on. And this is how you can use Alipay in China as a foreigner. So Alipay is not only exclusive to China, but also for other users. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.